Hello, this is how to make the sleeve on the Optimatium dress wider. Here's a little model of the pattern, and we're going to add 3 centimetres here. Okay, so draw it in under the sleeve like this, measuring down 3 centimetres. And this is A, this is B. Then grab a piece of tracing paper and trace off the line you just drew, like this. And you can label it A here and B here. Okay, now flip it over and just colour in lightly on the back, so we're making carbon paper. Right, now pop it back where it was, like this. Okay, now we're going to pivot this to be here, and we're going up 3 centimetres to match so that we know we've got it level. Okay, so put that in place and draw in your shape again like this. So now it's like this, and then you can just continue this line on. So this is also 3 centimetres up. So now your pattern is actually 3 centimetres shorter, but if you want to adjust that, use the lengthen or shorten line to make it longer or shorter. I hope this helps. Bye.